Namshwaya, my dear friends. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay. Let me introduce you all to a new topic, decimal. That is lesson number 7, decimal. Before going to start decimal, we have to learn about fractions. Do you remember that? What is meant by fraction, children? Yes, right. A fraction is a part of your whole. A fraction is a part of your whole. Okay. Then we have studied in the last class. Isn't it, children? Yes. Let me show one small example. See here, children. What is that? This is a whole thing. This is a whole thing. See here. What is this? Just imagine that this is a white forest cake. Do you like white forest cake, children? Yes. I think your mouth is watering. I also feel like that. Very good, children. How many parts of it has red cream on it, children? See here, how many parts? Yes, only one part. Yes, only one part. How many equal parts are here? Here, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Do you like cream? Yes. I will give one part to my friend. Okay, children. How will you write it in fraction, children? One part is red color, others are white. How can you write it as a fraction, children? Do you remember that? Yes, that is 1 by how many equal parts here? 8. So we can write it 1 by 8. Then I will give one part to my friends. Let me ask one thing, children. Division. Do you know division? Yes. Which lesson teach us division, children? Do you remember that? Yes. Division teach us sharing. Division teaches sharing. Sharing is a good quality of human being. Okay, children. Now let us do some more interesting example. Okay, shall we start? Yes, come. See here, children. This is a whole box. This is a whole box. It can be divided it into 10 equal parts. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many equal parts, children? 10 equal parts. So, how many parts are shaded here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How can you write it as a fraction, children? Equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded out of 10 equal parts. So we can write it 5 by 10. Very good. Shall we go to the next question? See here, children. This is a whole box. It will be divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many parts are shaded here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How can you write it as a fraction, children? Yes, 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Okay, children. Here we can parts out of 10. 4 parts out of 10. Similarly, 12 parts out of 100. How can you write it as a fraction, children? 12 by 100. Very good. One more example. 325 parts out of 1000. How can you write it as a fraction, children? Yes, 325 by 1000. 325 by 1000. See here, children. 5 by 10, 4 by 10, 12 by 100, 325 by 1000. Such fractions are called decimal fraction. Such fractions are called decimal fraction. What is that? Decimal fraction. Such fractions are called decimal fractions. A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is either 10, 100 or 1000 or 10,000, etc. Okay, decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is either 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000, etc. Clear, children? Okay, do you feel happy? Yes. Let us move to the next condition. Here, children, decimal fraction can be represented as another form. Decimal, this fraction, can be represented as another form. Let us see what is that. How is that? See here, children. See another example. 6 by 10. What is that? 6 by 10. This is a decimal. This is a fraction. Equal to, we can write it 6.0 divided by 10. Is it correct, children? Yes. 6 by 10 equal to 6.0 by 10. We can write it as a decimal, children. 0.6. How can you write it? 0.6. Why, children? See here. What is the denominator here? The denominator is 10. How many zeros are here? Only 1 zero. Okay, only 1 zero. So see here, the decimal now, this is the decimal point. Now, the decimal point is going to jump to the left side one time. This decimal point is going to jump to the left side one time. So, the decimal is here. How can you write this number? 0.6. Is it interesting? Yes. Shall we do another example? Yes. See here, children. 35 by 100. 35 by 100. Where is the decimal point here, children? Actually, equal to 35.0 by 100. Any change here, children? No. 35 by 100 equal to 35.0 by 100. Okay. What is the special here, children? What is the denominator here? 100. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. So, how can you write this? See here, children. We can write this 0 point. Yes. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. So, the decimal point is going to jump to the left side 2 times. Why? Here 2 zeros. So, one jump and next jump. So, the decimal is here. So, we can write this 0.35. Clear, children? Yes. Let us do one more example. 628 divided by 1000. Okay. write it. 628.0 divided by 1000. Okay children, see here what is the denominator here? 1000. How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. How many jump then? 3 jumps. Okay, so this decimal point is going to jump to the left side 3 times. Let us see how is that? Yes, 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 0.628. Wow, correct answer. Yes children, now we understand. 6 by 10 equal to 0.6. 35 by 100 equal to 0.35. 628 divided by 1000 equal to 0.628. Okay, see here some more example. See here children, how can you read this number? 25.63. This dot is called decimal point. This dot is called decimal point. And this 63 is called decimal part. This one is decimal point. And this one is called decimal part. Then the number which has left side of the decimal point is called whole number or integral part. What is that? Whole number or integral part. We can read as 25.63. Clear children? Yes. See one more example here. See here children. Let me say one trick. Yes. What is this? 5 by 10. What is this? This is a fraction. How many zeros are here? 1 zero. How many jump we need? 1 jump. So the answer is 0.5. Wow. The next one more example. See here. What is this? 72 by 100. How can you write it as a decimal? Say children, say loudly. Yes. Somebody is saying. Say loudly. Yes. What is the answer? 0.72. Is it interesting children? Yes. I hope all of you have understood the relationship between fractions and decimals. Clear children? Okay. Keep learning and keep enjoying. Bye children. Namah Shivaya.